Nya, rigatubiyag na. Puro trabaho latta, nawani na nana. This is my dream and goal.
The Miami Heat are once again NBA champions.
We're so grateful to be able to do it in front of our fans here at home.
And Eric Spoelstra, congratulations.
And this is what I do to achieve my goal.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. This is Rock Nation. Pledge your allegiance.
Well, this is what I do. Take advantage of it, okay? Get the ball as fast as you can. Shoot right away, okay? And this is what I do for me to eat and survive here in Canada. Nya, rigatubiyag na. Puro trabaho latta, nawani na nana. Kabanog. Hindi ta tibiyag ito'y Canada. Puro trabaho. In today's video, we are sponsored by Body Hammer Grit Raw. This is their dry fit basketball shirt. And it smells so good, by the way. And not only that, they actually have, what do you call it? What the hell is this? Sorry, my bad. They have a shoe bag. And lastly, we have a lip bag. Bili na.